Hello, everyone. I'm Robert Blackman, one of your coaches on your customer success coaching team. Just want to give a quick tip because it's that time of year where many of the uh, areas that we're in um, have renewed their license. So it's up to you guys to make sure that that license information is up to date and bright. So I wanted to show you guys how to do that real quick. Ultimately, when you're logged into Bright, all you need to do is just click on your name in the top right hand side of the page, click on Account and Settings. And once you're there in Account and Settings, you'll be under the My Subscription tab. And when you're in the My Subscription tab, you just need to go to License Associations MLS. So just to repeat that for you, click on your name on the top right hand side when you're logged into Bright, click on Account and Settings. And then once in Account and Settings under My Subscription, you'll click on License Association MLS. Once you're in there, you'll see at the top of the page your license. Make sure that expiration date is a date in the future. If it needs to be updated, just click on the little pencil icon there and you'll be able to update your expiration date and then click on submit and you're done. It's up to date. But while you're in here, go back to the My Subscription tab here. If we click under My Subscription, you'll see that you can also go in here under contact information, and you just want to make sure your contact information is up to date here as well. So make sure that your email address is correct and such, just to make sure that you're receiving communications from us when you need. All right, that's it. Thanks, everyone. If you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day.